We wrap up our Oscar countdown games where another lucky member of our studio audience will be walking away with $500 in movie tickets from Fantango. I teamed up with Duff Freeman from Asheville, North Carolina. Kelly's playing with Tiffany Thrower from Mount Vernon, New York.
The winning team.
Easy, easy. Look at this beard, huh?
I know, that beard is intimidating, but it's not going to scare us.
Okay, we'll see.
We got this.
Okay, today's game is a jumbo jigsaw puzzle. We did a jigsaw puzzle game last year, and my team won within seconds of Ryan's team.
Barely.
No pressure. We'll have 60 seconds to play. We'll reveal what the puzzle looks like after Ryan says go. The team that finishes first or has the most completed wins, okay?
All right, you guys ready? Tiffany, Chuck? Okay, let's get into our starting positions.
Where are they? Over here?
We're not supposed to look. No looking.
Okay.
No cheating?
Okay.
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 60 seconds on the clock, please. Ready, set, let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Go feet.
Here we go.
Feet.
Feet. Feet. Need a white jacket?
Body.
There we go.
I got it.
Hands.
Got it.
Okay.
Feet.
And
Ryan.
there we go.
Ryan is over here.
Feet.
Ryan's over there. Feet.
Feet
Hands.
for Kelly. Feet for Kelly.
Hands.
Feet. Okay, good. And then we have...
Ryan's head.
And then
Ryan's head goes here.
this goes here.
Ryan's
There.
head.
There.
This goes...
Is that there? No. Wait.
I think we got to rotate over.
Wait. Oh, it's over here? Okay, you're right.
Yep. Ryan's over here. Ryan's there.
Okay. There. And there. And there.
Ryan.
Yeah.
Oh, no, turn it.
There we go.
Turn it the other way. That way.
There you
Oh,
go.
my God, I let you down.
Well, congratulations, Chuck. You and your beard have just won $500 at Fandango. Congrats. Nice. All right.
You know what? I shouldn't have shaved. We shaved our beards off. And this is what happened.
That's what happened. You see that?
Tiffany's going to get $100, though, right?
All right, yeah.
Stay with us. Good job, man. Wow, so there's the picture right there.